Our planet, Mother Nature, isn't always serene and picturesque. Sometimes, it conjures scenes so strange, terrifying, and almost supernatural, that humanity can only stand back and stare in awe. From skies that rain fish to storms that look ripped from a sci-fi movie. Today, we're diving into history and science to count down 5 of the strangest natural events ever documented. Trust me, the stories you're about to hear are stranger than fiction. So, let's begin. Segment 1, Raining Animals, When the Sky Falls. It's as something straight out of folklore, the raining animals. Imagine walking down the street when suddenly, frogs, fish, or even spiders start falling from the sky. This is not a joke. This phenomenon has been reported numerous times across the globe, from Honduras, which has an annual fish rain festival, to Yorkshire, England. But how is this possible? The scientific explanation, while bizarre, is convincing. It's the work of powerful waterspouts or tornadoes. These vortices act like giant, atmospheric vacuum cleaners, sucking up small creatures from ponds or rivers and carrying them aloft before depositing them, unharmed, miles away. So next time someone says, "Yeah, when fish fall from the sky," you can tell them, it actually happens. Segment 2, Catatumbo Lightning, the Eternal Storm. We travel to Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, where a natural light show performs almost every single night. This is the home of Catatumbo lightning, often called the everlasting storm. In this specific spot, lightning strikes up to 280 times per hour for over 160 nights a year. These bolts can be seen from 400 kilometers away and were used by ancient sailors as a natural lighthouse. What fuels this wonder? A unique cocktail of geography and climate. Warm, moist winds from the Caribbean collide with cool air from the Andes Mountains, creating colossal storm clouds over the methane-rich marshes below. The result? The planet's longest-running firework display, ongoing for millennia. Segment 3, The Sailing Stones of Death Valley. A mystery that baffled scientists for decades, the Sailing Stones of Death Valley, California. In this scorching desert, large rocks appear to move on their own, carving long, meandering tracks into the dry mud, as if they went for a stroll at night. No one had ever seen them move. Theories ranged from strange magnetic fields to alien pranks. But the secret was finally unlocked in 2014. What's the key? A rare and beautiful set of conditions. Occasionally, light rain floods the desert floor, creating a shallow layer of water. On cold nights, this forms thin sheets of ice. Then, as gentle winds blow, these floating ice panels push the rocks along the slick mud at a glacial pace, just a few centimeters per second. Nature, with infinite patience, is the sculptor. Segment 4, Fairy Circles, the Secret Art of Sharks. A recently discovered phenomenon of stunning beauty, underwater, fairy circles. On the sandy seabeds of the Bahamas, perfect, intricate circles and spirals tens of meters wide appear, as if a giant artist took a brush to the ocean floor. For years, their origin was a riddle. Were they aliens? An unknown bacteria? Who is the true artist? A patient fisherman with a camera cracked the case, the great hammerhead shark. To hunt for prey, like small stingrays, buried in the sand, these sharks slowly swim in tight circles, using their unique heads like metal detectors. This circular motion creates a temporary electromagnetic field that can flush out hidden prey. The trail of this artistic hunt is the breathtaking pattern left in the sand. Segment 5, The Siberian Sky Splitter. The strangest, most mysterious, and most powerful natural event in recorded history, the Tunguska event. In the early morning of June 30, 1908, in a remote part of the Siberian taiga, a colossal explosion split the sky. It was so powerful, it flattened 80 million trees across 2,000 square kilometers, shattered windows hundreds of kilometers away, and lit up the night sky so brightly over Europe that people thought dawn had come early. The blast is estimated to have been 1,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima atomic bomb. Yet, there was no impact crater. To this day, no major meteorite fragments have been found. The leading theory is that a small asteroid or comet, traveling at immense speed, entered the atmosphere at a shallow angle and exploded in a massive airburst about 5 to 10 kilometers above the ground. The shockwave did all the damage. It serves as a sobering reminder of the destructive cosmic power nature can wield. From raining fish to cosmic airbursts, our planet never ceases to surprise, humble, and astonish us. These bizarre events aren't just spectacles, they are windows into the incredibly complex and awesome forces of physics, geology, and meteorology at work. So the next time you look at the sky, stare at a lake, or step on a stone, remember, nature is the greatest and most creative artist of all. And its secrets are still waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this journey into nature's wonders, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a curious friend. Let us know in the comments which phenomenon amazed you the most. Until next time, stay curious.